Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can share your Facebook page link. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and viewing the latest version and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Let's get started and open up the Facebook app. Go to the menu icon and here you can see one of my page. Just tap right here. Now, all you have to do is tap on these three dots. Now, here you can see one of your page link. All you have to do is just copy the link, and now you can see your link is copied. Now you can paste it anywhere and you can share your page link. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my YouTube channel for more valuable content in the future.